welcome back to another video. And you just have this one problem where your friends introduce you to Minecraft, and then you start building stuff, and it's been a whole year, and then you're still they're still saying you're bad at building. So now I'm starting a series to help you flex on your friends and make them say that you're a good builder, knowing that they were once probably a bad builder. But this one just will be a series of Minecraft tutorials on how to build stuff and that stuff. So I'm just gonna call this tutorial. I spelled that wrong. World. And creative super flat, because that way there's so much space to do stuff. There's one thing I would recommend if you're going to actually follow along, and that's actually going in flat world and making sure that's mostly always day. Because that's good. And if you're not Minecraft Java like me, you're still able to do this on Bedrock, because it's just a building a house. But I'm not going to show you how to build a whole mansion. No, I'm not that skilled yet. But I will teach you how to make a little tiny shack. A little tiny shack. So first, get the blocks of your choice. I'm just going to get this, and this. You don't have to get all of these blocks. And mostly, you can always get some more blocks if you need to. I just spelled that wrong. And brick. So I'm just going to make a tiny little shed. And the thing I see a lot of people do is when they make the house, they do it like this, they build it like this kinda. It's just a box, no detail and such. Except that this is you've never made something how I just did that. But to have a good house, you gotta have an outline. So most people that I know or watch prefer logs as an outer layer, 'cause it looks neat and not dirty. And since I'm building a little shack, I don't want to add detail. Well, this is the point of this series. It's gonna have to. So, and another tip when you're building. Oh, I should do this more simple. So first, if you want to make a little shack how I'm doing it, just place 3 blocks there. It's going to extend higher, and then go 4 blocks, and once you're at the 5th block, you do another pillar. So that way, you still have two gaps there for the doors. If you want the thing to look neat, get any type of stone thing or whatever you want, and then put at the bottom there. I'll let you guys catch up. Okay. If that was too short of a time, you can always pause the video as well. And then you get another block of your choice, whatever one you get. Then you just put it like this. This is just going to be a little shack though, okay? I'm going to go bigger stuff in the future. And then you do that. And then you make this how long you want to be. And by the way, if you're under a different design, you just want tips, these logs, this log to that log, it can be way longer out. But I'm doing a little short video, or a short build, because the video, and it's just gotta be simple. So then now you just make it as far as you want from this side, then do 3 logs. Then you do the same here. And then you do the same as the front, except that there's no gaps. Okay, I'll let you guys catch up. Okay, so hopefully you guys catched up there, but you can always pause the video. So now we just gotta put like the block of your choice over this. If you want, you can add windows. I'm probably gonna add a window at the back part here. And if you also add a window and then like somehow the top here is not finished, you just gotta raise the thing higher. It's that simple. So like as I saw there. So then you just fill this part, but that's only if you have windows. I just want a nice little window there. So you're gonna have this. It's already looking way better now. And if you want to go extra better with the blocks and this, you can just push these other blocks out, not the logs backwards one. It can give some more detail, but like this is going to be a simple build for now. So now we don't want to do the inside yet, but now we want to add like a nice little roof. I feel like this is what gets people more struggling. Okay. So if you want a nice like rectangle roof, all you gotta do is place that log up here, but then like one block beside it on your block of the choice there, and then do the same for the other side. Then 2 parts in the middle there, and then 2 logs at the top of this bricks. So now I have this, but you want more detail, right? Than that, because that looks kind of stupid, yeah. So then get any type of stairs you want to. Get any type of stairs. It doesn't matter which type. And then you just want to do this side first, or that side. Then slowly make your way. So yeah. Oh, and remember to do the thing with the other side as well. With like the logs and the bricks as well, because that way it doesn't get mixed up in a way. So I'm going to wait for you guys to catch up. I'm just going to finish this one side. Okay guys, so I think that's enough time. I didn't finish this side fully yet, because I just want wood. So since now you kind of got this thing, then you just want to put these blocks there. If you're on a Pocket Edition, this will be hard for you. Then all you gotta do is just do this side on this side as well. So I'll cut me out until I'm finished. Okay guys, I'm right here back. And now this looks kind of ugly, right? Like, man. And you want the roof to like pop out. So all you gotta do is just do this. You gotta do that. Like, you just gotta like make it pop out more with these stairs there. And then with like both sides. I'm just gonna wait for you guys to do that, even though like I can't see any screens. Hopefully you guys actually do this with me. Okay guys, so you can always post a video back there. So once you got this here, this is the simple part. You can, with the stairs, you can just go under the block, like do this, this, and this, like that. So if you didn't know, I just did. So like, since I placed the stair upside down of another stair block there, so then I do it with each stair. But make sure you don't do it with this part of this stair there, because otherwise it looks ugly. And then you do it the same side for what I just did. By doing boom, boom, boom. See, now you got a good roof. And if you want to, you can do it with the other side. I won't, because this is just a little tiny tutorial. So now we got the out layer done. Like the outside done. Now we want to do the inside. So first, you don't want to see that ugliness at the top there, so just get a block of your choice. And then just fill it right in. Like, you don't have to completely fill it. You just gotta like make sure you don't see like the under the roof there. So now you have the ceiling. And if you have the materials, if you're doing in survival, you can like definitely add like glowstone there. But if you don't, you could just use torches and put them on the wall. And now we gotta do the floor. Okay? So we just flake the grass on the floor. It's better to do this afterwards once you got the out layer done, because you can make mistakes if you already take it out before doing the out layer. So now you have this inside. It's already quite improvement to probably your building. So now you can decorate this, and if you have a window, just get any glass. I prefer like the actual block. And then you just decorate your own thing. And you can build it the inside how you want to. And that's all. Oh yeah, and make sure you have doors, or like a door at least. So boom, you have a way better house. You probably improved. Now your friends don't have to always say you're bad at building. You're now going to probably fix on them now. But this is a little one. But you can use some of the tips that I used to make this little one to make a large one. But I will make large ones in the future. Okay? And see you later, guys. Wait. So see you later, guys. Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss a new video.